All right, so I bought this off of Amazon for about 10 bucks. I got this because it had the best reviews and it was the thinnest one out of all the different Paperfeel type screen protectors. And I want to be able to write stuff quickly without having some issues, and I don't want to scratch my iPad screen either. That's why I decided to get a screen protector, and plus I think I get screen protectors on everything that I've ever owned anyway. But I was just going to show you guys what's on the inside here. There's two little tabs that you pull, opens pretty easily. Let's see. And the neat thing about this is that you get two screen protectors, whereas the other ones I was looking at on Amazon, you were only getting one, and that one cost like $13. Usually the first time I put a screen protector, I always mess up, or I think I do, because I don't like having bubbles, but I've noticed sometimes the bubbles go away on their own. This is just an install guide. There's also a video that you can watch. There's a QR code on the back of here. Oh yeah, here we go. There's a QR code right there too. I don't think I really need to watch the video. I mean, I don't... Okay, maybe I do. I have no idea what this is for. Tool to get the bubbles out. Squeeze it, get the bubbles out. And the last thing in here is... oh, it's like the cloth and the stickers to get the dust off. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So see, once I install this, how it looks, how it feels, how it functions over time. Still have no idea what this is. It's like little pieces of sticky foam. I think it's just to put under the iPad to prevent it from getting scratched. I don't know. That's my guess. Bubble remover. Little pieces in here to remove stick or bubbles, dust, things like that. And then your install guide. So let's see. And then what the actual screen protector looks like, I'll just show that to you guys. If I can open it. There we go. Yep. Tab 1, you pull this off, stick it on the iPad. Once it's done, tab 2, you pull it down. That's it. So once this is installed, let's see how it looks. Okay, so step 1, put your tablet on 2 anti-skidding mats, so that's what they were for. Attach positioning stickers on the back of your tablet. Done. I don't think it really matters if they're super straight or not, because it's going to be sticking to the screen protector, so once you put it over or flip it over, it should stick pretty easily. So step 3 is put the screen protector on tablet and ensure the film with number 1 label is facing to the screen of your tablet. Fix the screen protector with the positioning stickers. I'm going to need both of my hands to do that, so I'm going to just put the phone down for a minute. Okay, now that that's done, we're going to flip this off according to step 4. Boom. So there's your stick right there, and then just clean the surface off. Also, pro tip, if you're flipping your iPad over and the anti-skidding mats are under it, they're going to leave a residue over the screen, so once you flip it back, make sure you have like a microfiber cloth to clean it all off. Otherwise, you're going to be stuck with those skid marks on your screen. And then step 4, clean the screen of your tablet with cleaning kits. Already did that. 5, peel off part 1 of the film and hold the screen protector to keep it from attaching the screen. Then push forward with squeeze card and peel off the rest part of the film. And then peel off the protector film, which marked number 2. Notice if there are small bubbles, can use the squeeze card to remove them. Okay, the grammar on this is not the best, but it makes perfectly good sense. Clean the whole screen by using the microfiber cloth. The installation has done. Okay. So I'll just follow along with this and then we'll see the final product. Okay, so there we have it. I was able to get it on without any major bubbles, at least none that I can see. A little bit up there, but those are just going to go away over time. It wasn't too difficult to put. I did notice that there's like some type of, I don't know, waxy feel. I think that's just the paper feel of it. I haven't had a Paperfeel screen protector before, so I have to get used to it. But the other thing I did notice that it does kind of dull your screen a bit. It doesn't look as sharp. I think that's just part of having a screen protector that has this type of coating on it. If it was one of those tempered glass or just a glossy film screen protectors, I'm sure it would look fine. After trying it out for a few days, I really wasn't a big fan of the screen protector, so I ended up returning it and getting a tempered glass one instead. The good part of it though is that installation is pretty simple and straightforward. It comes with 2 screen protectors for the price of 1. Writing with the Apple Pencil 2 felt pretty natural and was enjoyable, and it also has a 1-year warranty, so if the screen protector is bent or messed up, you can always request a replacement through customer service. The bad and the ugly parts though were that it dulls the screen quality immensely. Watching content online just wasn't really enjoyable because of the decrease in the screen quality, and I personally didn't experience this because I didn't have it on for very long, but I read that it will dull out your Apple Pencil tip because of the coating over the screen protector. And you can see in the picture here how different the iPad looks with the screen protector on and without the screen protector. But overall, if you can get past the fact that your iPad's gonna look like 480p, then you can use the screen protector, it's fine. But I wouldn't personally recommend it to anyone and would suggest getting a tempered glass one instead.